Chop game. Market makers playing that chop game. Traders getting wrecked, don't trade it the same. Long it, pull back, short it, moon quick. Market makers in the back, left. Confirm breakout. No, now it's reversing. Market makers bait the highs and slice the lows. Paint the picture, then it folds. Fake bull flags, fake bear traps, jumping in late. That bag collapsed. Whips all move, straight disrespectful. No trend, just chop. Feeling regretful. Market makers see you stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Retail trying to snipe the top. Market makers cooking, it's getting hot. Revenge trading will break your soul. Fear, greed, envy, you lose control. Jealousy, anger, revenge gets fed. You revenge trade, now in the red.
Don't feel like you have to be in a trade. Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
It's that range game, fake out chains. Market makers profit, traders feel the pain. Candle art ain't what it seems. Chop is a weapon, killing dreams. Chasing that breakout too late, my friend. Market makers denying the sin. Retail trap, caught in that zone. That traders be holding bags, asking for a loan. FOMO hits, traders load that size. Price retraces, no allergies, but watery eyes. Market makers sell the dream by the dip, then the dip keeps dipping. It's a sucker script, adapt to die. That's the motto, no edge in chop, just highs then hollow. Top down scan, zoom out the view. Avoid the noise, wait for the cue.
Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
Feeling fear, feeling greed, angry, mad, want that speed, fast, jealous, why? Trade the flex, revenge got you wrecked, now you second guess.
You gotta breathe and follow the plan. You'll win again if you understand. Don't give up, hold your ground. Set alerts for the trend, wait for the sound.
Whipsaw move, straight disrespectful, no trend, just chop. Feeling regretful, market makers see you stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Catch the move, not the hype parade. Stay in the game, that's how legends are made. Market makers playing that chop game. Set a stop loss on every trade. Trade with the trend. Or get trapped again.
Trade with the trend. Don't get trapped again. Come on, let's go. In 3, 2, and a 1. A bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization, abbreviations, just crazy names for things that we don't reinvent the wheel. The wheel works. And that's what we do here. We show you. So special shout out to everybody here. I do greatly appreciate everybody. We got Chris in the house. What's up, Chris? Appreciate you, man, being here. Yes, definitely smash the like, please. That does help support the channel. Floki's Angels in the house. What's going on? What's going on? Let's see here. We got Automatic Beats in the house. What's going on, guys? I appreciate you very much. Thank you for coming in. And we got Al saying, let's go. It's go time. It's learning here with Trade Intuition without the tuition. You don't need to pay. You don't need to pay. I show you that we trade and we learn how to trade, and I show you all the tips and tricks. You don't need to join my VIP group to learn. You know, I don't plan on buying a Lambo anytime soon. Would you say it like that? You know, you know. Let's see here. Besides, yeah, Zcash, of course. Yeah, it's crazy. Make it bounce. Let's go. Make it bounce. All right. So we're looking at crypto bubbles on the daily. Dash up 29% on the daily. Wow. Wow. Zcash 27.8%. And then Stark 21.8%. And soon 30%. Everything else, nothing. It's the same old story. Hey, does this mean Bitcoin's going up? Possible. We got Dash, we got DCR, we got Litecoin, we got all these coins coming up 1%, 2, 3%. Well, let's check out the alt season. Today we are at a 32. Hello. Yesterday 33, last week 30, last month 30. Remember this? And everybody was crazy excited. Not us, because we were like, I don't know. It doesn't feel good. It doesn't look right. So, Fear and Greed Index. Let's refresh this one more time. Let's go to crypto. 10. Holy smokes. Holy camole. 10. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. 10. It's funny. I was watching this other show just right now, and it's like, yeah, as far as investing, it just depends on how much money you have. Most people's rent's like $1,000 or whatever. Let's just say, on average, 100,000. You make 100,000, and I'm thinking, you make 100,000. What kind of job is that? I don't know if y'all make 100,000, but they're like, yeah, let's just say you make 100,000. You're going to invest maybe like 12 to 15,000 for the year. So let's just say you're going to invest you're going to save $1,000 per month to invest. And I'm thinking, what? Saving $1,000 a month to invest? I know what kind of job you got, or if you have family, if you have kids. Now I can see somebody working, maybe like a plumber, electrician. Yeah, you can probably save $1,000, depending if you have kids. If you have kids, forget it, But if you're somebody who, doesn't have a girlfriend or a wife, because that's another mouth you have to feed, and you got to provide for them. $1,000, man. I don't know. I don't know, but anyway, he was just talking. He's like, yeah, you save $1,000 a month, this and that, blah, blah. So let me know in the chat. Are you in a position to save $1,000 a month and still eat and still pay your rent or your mortgage or your bills? Let me know in the chat. Are you able to save $1,000? Now, when I was a nurse and I was not married, I would blow a lot of money. So $1,000, whatever. But I'm not working. I'm not making that money anymore. And $1,000. I don't know. Let's see here. Let me go in the chat. Let's see here. We got Mike in the house. What's up, Mike? What's going on, guys? Appreciate you greatly. Mike says 110 a year, no kids or wife, and no debt. Yeah. That's you, Mike? You make 110 a year, no kids or wife, and no debt? Dude, you are a unicorn. You are a unicorn. All in investments. Dude, you smart, man. Give me a millionaire real soon. Yes, you can. When I made money, I didn't know about all this investing. I was living like a rock star. I was living foolishly. At that time, could I save $1,000 a month? Sure. I can save $1,000 a week. Yeah, I was making some money. Now, can I save $1,000? Not even. Let's see here. David says, does buying the dip count as savings? No, I can't, but I was putting away about half that for a while. $500. Really? That's crazy. Already was a millionaire 4 times this year until the market dumped. Ouch. Yeah. Well, yeah, man, you're like so far ahead of everybody. Like I said, I'm surprised y'all saving money. I'm really surprised because, you know, I know that like times are really tough. Everything's super expensive. Speaking about expensive. So, nobody cares. All right. Anyway, let's go ahead and get on with the show. Let's see here. Let's go and look at the liquidations heat map on the 24-hour time frame. Let's put this down to 0.6. Let's see here. We have a drop. We have a double bottom. Most of the liquidations are up top now versus on the bottom. See, that is dumb. Crypto is king. Yes, very true. Chris says, and I can't say it was just me though. Loki's Angels and I did it together. Yeah, that's good. $500 a month saving and still paying your bills. And that's really good. That's really good. Let's see here. Lots of liquidations for the top side. Just one little area right here. 81 million, sitting on 93.4. All the rest is up here because everybody's shorting right now. Let's go to the 12-hour. On the 12-hour, we have some really close right now. Really close. It's at the bottom. I mean, it's nothing too crazy. Let's go 3-day. Holy smokes. Wow. Lots of liquidations for the top side. We have an area on the bottom side. Again, 82 million at 93.4. Meet Damien in the house. Meet Damien. Hit the like. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you greatly. Appreciate you. Let's see here. Let us look at USDUC. Coming down. Flash. Coming down. Karma. Kind of bouncy. That's it for that. Bitcoin. So I made a video for my group, my VIP group this morning. I also put the video. I hate Discord. I don't know if I told you that yet, but I hate it. Like I really hate it. Like I so hate it. But this morning I made it like a 3-minute video. My thought process on Bitcoin. And then for Discord, because I don't want to pay their whatever thing, I have to re-record, which I think I'm gonna stop doing that because I don't like doing it. Then I gotta re-record the message and have it like under 40 seconds. So I re-recorded the video I made for the VIP, and it was 41 seconds. And Discord says, wait, denied, file size too big. I said, F you, Discord. So then I just posted a picture and I gave an audio. I was like, hey guys, I tried doing a video. It was 41 seconds. There's too many steps, you know, uploading to YouTube, getting the link, putting it into the group. It's like, man, it's too much. It's too much. Mike says, selling 95% of my crypto this weekend, hoping for that Sunday pump to get out. Very good. Jay Violet in the house. What's going on? Going all in a year from now with 85% going to Bitcoin. That'll be my foresight. Going all in a year from now. Yeah. Yep. And that's what I'm going to do too. A year from the cycle high. and we don't know where it's at. We could have already had it. We don't know where it's at. We won't know till, you know, it's already like several, you know, on the daily or even weekly, where we're not making any more highs. I was like, oh, okay, well, I guess that was the high. So let's mark out 1 year. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing, 85, 90% all in Bitcoin. Man, this cycle, good Lord, man. Yeah. Let's see here. Go in the list. Ooh. Mike says, hoping to get 10 Bitcoin or more. Hey, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. So I made a video this morning on Bitcoin for my group. Price is down here. Has it not moved since this morning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I guess so. Price is down here. And I'm thinking, okay, more than likely come up and potentially go to the top of our trend line, and then again it's looking horrible. I can't believe all of you have money. I'm glad. I can't believe all of you have money. I thought everybody who watched my show didn't have any money. Bitcoin is stuck, Joe. Kick it or something. Yeah, we need to do the make it bounce. David says a year is an eternity. Yeah. Yep. Very true. Very, very true. Let's see here. Yeah, something we're coming up. We were here earlier. I think we'll come up to maybe around 97, 98. And then come down. And what we're looking for is the break of this. If we do, then more than likely, and everybody's talking about it now, but we had talked about this some time ago. And I mean, everybody sees the same levels. So it's not like, oh, look what I found, or look what they, no, we all see the same levels. And so we're looking to come down here about 88-ish, which would be like the middle of this fair value gap. The low is 85. If we manage to break below this, then we can come down for here, 78, but we'll see. Let's see here. I really wish I would have left my shorts in last night, to be honest. Yeah. It's just a mess, man. It's just liquidation city. And we came up, almost got rejected here, down. Not looking good. I mean, in order for us to start looking good, we would need to do something like this. Let me come back here. That's what we're looking at. So right now it's another just waiting game. You know, are we going to get rejected here? Which that's what this is showing. And then pull back. And then maybe come up. So we're just waiting for the break of the levels. That's what we're doing. We got Spy in the house. What's up, Spy? And Spy is on Twitch. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Chris says, I don't know what to do at this point. Yeah, man, just flipping and flopping. That's all we're doing. I was in trades, but I went ahead and got stopped out. I got stopped out. Mark says, sup, millionaires? Dude, I wish I was. I wish I was. Not me. Shoot, man, I'm not even 100 air. I'm a 14 air. That's all I am. And what sucks so bad, I was supposed to be a millionaire this bull run. I don't want to talk about it. Let's see here. Going down the list. Going down the list. All right. So what do I think is gonna happen? What do I think is gonna happen? Well, I think we're gonna come up. I mentioned that this morning. I think we're gonna come up. The level that we need to watch is this trend line, which is roughly around 98. And let's see if we do something like this. And again, this is like more of the macro. And then break this level. Or are we going to do something like this? Where we come up and then come down and then do this number. But for here, I think we're going to go up. And it just depends on what happens after that. Let's go to a list. Double click. We're above our 200 SMA. We're above our 9, the yellow. We're above our 9, the white. We're above the 30 and the 50. Oh, I had, I think I entered a long over here. And then once it broke this, or was it here? Once it broke this, I moved my stop loss to cover the fees, and I made a little bit of money. Nothing to post about. And then, whoop, came all the way down. And I don't look at it. I didn't look at it. 15 minute. Let's see here. Catch up on the chat. Mike says, at this point, sell, 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 and short, short, short. See here, don't short the local bottom, Mike. Yeah, so on the 15-minute time frame, came down, up, lower low, then double bottom, breaking this high, bouncing so far on it. That's not 15 minute. Look at that, beautiful. So here's our zone. Can we do it from here? Nah, maybe. Sure, why not? Getting risky. I like it. Then the VWAP said, come down. So now we're above the VWAP. We'll like to see something like this. So we come into at least 98. Where's 98? Oh, 98's way up here. Oh, so this is the level I'll be looking at. Let's get this. Put this to white. So my target would be up here. Let's see here. What's the percentage? 1%. So it's like a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Ooh. Do my first target here. Let's see, stop loss. Y'all have any coins y'all want to do? Or let me know. Let me know, or forever hold your peace. I need to get for it to get out of this box. Because what could happen, it does this. Boop. No. Let's see here. The bear is here. Jeff Star, what's up, man? What's going on? Fart coin. Caspa. Y'all want those? Okay. We'll look at them. I want to enter it, but I'm gonna wait. Hotspot we already have on here. Price was here. We were thinking that it looked good for a bounce. It looked really good for a bounce. I was really thinking that we may go up. But if we come down and we break out of this zone, then there's a really good chance we're gonna come for this and this. And we can see we came down, up, down, up, down. It looks so horrible. We came right for this too. Now I think we may do something like this. And then just continue this, my thought process. So I think we'll go up and then continue. Now we need to be watching for some whatever reason it does this number. So we're looking for it to go up, then come down, create this pivot, and then now is it going to come up or down? But right now the market is looking horrible, and the higher probability is down. So here, Chris says, link Doge sold, please, if you have time. We'll probably get one of those. Pick one, Chris. Pick one of those. Let's see here. Al says, getting crowded. Light it up. Let's go. Let's see here. So we did. I didn't write them down. I did write them down. So we did Caspa. What was the other one? And Fartcoin. Okay, let's look at Fartcoin. Let's look at some Fartcoin. Oh, look, it's in a while. Way over here. We entered it and we I forget. We did something with it. Right now, it looks like it wants to bounce in the 1 hour. But and Fartcoin, man, when it moves, it moves. At least it used to. I haven't traded that in a long time. So here. Al says, just here sitting in front of the 4 monitors and talking to them. Sometimes they even talk back. Litecoin, Bitcoin dominance. Fartcoin ran out of gas. Doom. Yeah, for this one, man, I'm not writing anything down today. Ooh, the middle of that. Look at that. Let's take off this dotted line. What's the percentage? From here to here, 4. Like for me, I'd have to wait 8%. 10%. Me, Damien says, the crypto bear market is here. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Al says, with all the trading now, I'm craving a BLT. Nice. Yum. For Fartcoin, I'm looking at something like this. And then for all you pattern traders out there, y'all might see a complex inverse head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then go up. Yeah, the main level we got to watch out for this one is about right here. 0.2654 ish area. 2661 to see if we can break out of this zone. Yep. Yep. Man, it really amazes me that all these coins, meme coins or what have you, like even right now, I mean, when we looked at this, let's look at it one more time. Oops, wrong one. Go to daily. Like, there's no meme coins. Maybe soon is a meme coin, probably. Let's go to the hourly. Soon, Doge, Shiba. So Doge, not even 1%. Shiba, not even 0.5%. Just kind of looking at these really quick. As far as Pepe, not even 1%, not even 1%. Floki, not even 1%, 0.4. Pepe, 0.7. I mean, not even meme coins are doing anything. But yeah, that's crazy. Let me go closer to the light. See here. I wish I had 4 monitors, and yes, he needs the beanie. How do you know where to draw order blocks and zones? How do you know where to draw? Well, for me personally, even though there's like, I just see blocks. I just see the official, like how to do an order block. But then if it depends on the time frame too. So there's a bunch of rules, which I think are dumb. But anyway, the way it's supposed to be is when you have, let me show you. When you have a down and then it goes up. This right here is where it changed. So this would be your order block. Now, and this is when, to me, it gets dumb because now you have to go to the lower time frame so that, let's see here. So you see, and then there's other rules too on top of it. So this candle coming down is red. Then we have a green. So this right here would be our order block. But, and you go all of it, the wick to the wick. This is your order block. But, what you could do is you could include this one too. But then the rule is if there's other candles that are here that interact with it, you can't. So this would be your order block. Now, again, because all these rules, which are dumb, in my opinion, because this touched it, notice I didn't say mitigated, because this touched it or tapped it. Joe, why didn't you say mitigated? Everybody else says mitigated because it's dumb. Because it touched inside this order block is now no more. However, when I'm looking at these coins, I look to see where there is a lot of, my zones. Like we can see all here. And so that's why I do all my ranges. Like we have this, and I just look to the left and to the right. And I see there's a lot of stops. So for me, whenever I'm doing this, wherever I have more stops, that's where my block is. Look. And all the way over here too. Can nobody stop? Can nobody stop? Wick stop. Wick stop. Can nobody stops? Can nobody stops? Can nobody stops? So this is telling me that this is a good area for a potential either reversal or continuation if it come down, because there's a lot of price action in here. That's how I do it. But as far as like order blocks, you have, and same thing like with liquidity. There's And that's why I do my, I'm sure there's all these areas, but I'm trying to find a good one. Okay. So like for me personally, I see kind of bodies close here, and I see these kind of body closes. So for me, all of this right here is an area of potential reversal. Now, granted, we still have the wicks to deal with, but to me, this is my zone to where if we come up in here, more than likely we come down, because the price, it changed direction. We went up and we came down. And we tried to go up again and we couldn't get in here. So if we just take this across, I don't even know. So we went up, got rejected, came back down, about, came up, about, came down, stopped right on it, went a little bit lower, came up a little more than half, came down, we broke out of it and we retested it. But that's how I look at it. I just simplify it. And, you know, I've taken boot camps and I've taken all these courses, and it's too many rules, in my opinion, to follow. So that's what I do. All right, I'm moving on. Let's see here. Yeah, so that's how I draw my zones. I just see where there's a lot of stops. Like, I mean, it's stopped here for a reason. You know, a lot of sell orders, we just came up here to get this liquidity, or all these orders that were here, and we just come down, and then we keep on coming down. So this right here is an area where we have a very high chance. Doesn't mean that it will. And what I do is I always look to the left, and I like using the candle body closes. And I mean, this is everywhere though. So this one didn't really do anything. This didn't do anything. Candle body stops, wick. Candle body close above it a little bit. A lot of candle body closes right there. But this is on a 15-minute time frame. Like if you go to 4 hour, it's better. Stronger rather. But hopefully all that makes sense. Let's see here. Yeah, bull runs over. I'm hoping we get one more push, man. I really do. Yep, just waiting for the relief rally, then you're out. Not financial advice. Ooh. Yep. Let's see here. See, agreed, Mark. But either way, most will trend down. Like, yeah. Bearish candle before the impulse move up. There you go. See here. I'm still expecting move up towards Christmas. Yeah, and see, like right now, it's when we were supposed to be selling at, really nice profits, from the beginning of the year. Oh yeah, my game plan is sell in September, sell some in October, and sell definitely in November. And, each week in November be selling, because, don't let that FOMO get to you. That's what I was saying the whole year. And look at where we're at now. Middle of November. Good Lord. Good Lord. Let's see here. We're in the list. Yeah, if we could block. Did y'all block that person already? Let's see here. Block user on this channel. Here. See here. All right. Let's see here. Was there another coin? I already forgot. I didn't write them down. I should write them down. My notebook's right in front of me. Double click. Double click. But yeah, that's how I get my zones. It's just wherever the candles really stopped. That's how I get my zones. And then sometimes, like liquidity zones, like, so when you look at this, you see this buying pressure. So there are times where I will do, depending on how everything else looks, like I did it here for this one. No, I didn't. But sometimes I'll do the candle body close to the wick. And that'll be my bounce zone. I did that on Bitcoin. I did it way over here, I believe. And I just keep on moving it to the right. Let's see here. And the 4 hour. I think I got the candle body closes here. Yeah, so I did my zones. Road Dog's in the house. What's up, Road Dog? Appreciate you, man, being here. Yeah. Nachos. Road Dog. Any other coins, guys? Yeah, but not looking good. Let's just double click down here. Double click here. Move this around. So yeah. So thought process. Okay, so we ended up breaking out. So I wasn't sure if it was gonna come down. We got 2 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and enter it. Stop loss is down here, target's up here. So we have 2 minutes left, but let's go ahead. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Refresh the page. And let's go. Sure, why not? So this one, we may come down to 95.2. 95.2. Why do I think so? Because on the 3 minute, that's where our VWAP is. 95.2. We may come down here. There's a retrace. And then bounce up. Something like this. Come down, come up, come down. Maybe the VWAP will be here. And then come up. Possible. So I just entered. Let's see here. Solana. Okay, we'll do Solana. Yeah, Solana, man. We looked at that one the other day. It's like, come on. Solana. Oh, we got stopped out. Oh, our target's hit. We entered here. First target hit, second target hit. We moved our stop loss into profit. And do I have a result thing? Oh, there is. Bingo bango. Bingo and a bango. All right. Enough of that nonsense. All right. So looking at this, thought process was, we were here. Thought process was, we may come up to about here. I don't know. Come down to about here. Bounce. And then break the low. Potential. I don't know. Then we did come up to this exact area. We did come down, but we didn't bounce. We went a bit lower. Bearish retest. Come down. Broke we had a double bottom. Broke this pivot. Looking good. When we were here, I said we might, again, I don't know what's going to happen. I wish I did, man. Do I wish I did? Jeez. Then I'm thinking go up, down. If we break the high, let's go. Bingo bango. However, if we come and we break the low, coming down. What do? We went up to this exact freaking moment. I wish I knew like what was going to happen every single time. Went up right to the area, guys. I drew this before the price action. Went up right to the freaking area. Came down right to the freaking area. And then, hold on. What do you think is going to happen now? I think we'll go up. Take this. Join my group, guys. Join my group. I show you all this. Not only that, but like I don't spend 15, 20 minutes on how you could have made money, what you should have done, how you like, oh, we have a blood diamond and we have a divergence and we have a whatever, and showing you how what you should have done, not spending 15, 20 minutes on how you could have made money. No, this is what I do. I show you what I think might happen. Sometimes I'm completely off and sometimes I'm spot on. Bingo to the freaking bango. Bingo bango. Here and here. 2 for 2 on this one. Again, sometimes I'm way off. But here, I think we're gonna come up. I think we're gonna go to this zone. So we get to the top of this one, the bottom of this one. So what I'm looking at is here, maybe the middle. And that's why I love looking at these again, like several days or the next day, to see if my thought process played out. Come here, come down to here, come up. So we can get this. That's what I'm thinking. I would really like to see it come back down and then break this high. That's what I would like to see. We got to watch out for is this. Can you imagine if I just showed this on my VIP group and not on YouTube and say, oh, you got to join my group to so I can buy a Lambo. I mean, so I can show you how to trade. That's crazy. We got to watch out for this. Now this, okay, so this is a great example of what I was talking about earlier as far as the wicks. So this right here is a potential bounce from candle body close to the wick. And this would be like a bounce zone. So if we do come in here, but I don't think like a bounce to go to the moon. Let's say we get rejected here. Do I think we'll get rejected again? Up, down, up, down. I think maybe up to here. But anyway, let's just say we come down. Come up, come down into the bounce zone, maybe 50% of this. Come up. Maybe one last try. And Joe, you're guessing at this point. All this is guess. I don't know what's gonna happen. I wish I did. I'd be so freaking rich. It's just probabilities. Sometimes, like I said, they're spot on. Sometimes they're way off, so. I don't know, man, but the market's not great. Al says, wait, the blood diamonds are fire. I don't know, man. I've only seen a blood diamond when the market is down. I only see money flow when the, like, show me a chart and I will tell you if there's a blood diamond. Show me a chart and I will show you if there's money flow. Any chart. I'll tell you if there is. Let's see here. Al says, I'm watching Algo with Viso, whatever the, I forget what that one is. Gala and Cody. Put a little bit if they reach that golden pocket from the drop. Let's see. Rodog says, I'm liking Bitcoin pairs right now. There are a handful of performers. Nice. Bingo, bango. So back to this. I would like to see come back and get this. And it's just been dropping. Here, it looked like too much of a pump. So I'm expecting it to pull back here to maybe here. Beautiful little area for it to bounce. We actually went to the bottom of this little area. Got rejected, but then we broke out of it. Here, I think I would think that we would roll over. Just because the way it looks, up, down, then get rejected, then just roll over, break this low, attack this. Didn't happen. Went up. And that's another thing too. Like I show you what I would have thought at that time. Not because it went up. Oh yeah, definitely. No, I think here I would think that it would be rolling over. Went up, then huge dump. Then we saw that. Man, I'm gonna go with this one. I was trying to decide which one I was gonna go with. This would be my A. Oh, looks good to me. Yep. Ooh. I'm tired. All right. I think that's gonna be the end of the show. I think we did pretty good. Won a bunch of coins. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. Here it's gone up too much. Let me see where I think it's going to pull back to. Okay, 0.5. That'd be good. So right here. I'll probably add to it. So between 95.5 and 95.4, if it comes into this area, I'll probably add to it. If it pulls back. We'll see. Right now, on the trade, I didn't say what leverage I was doing. Second. I don't think I did. Look, I see. Is this? Let me refresh the page. It's not. Okay, there we go. It's like it's not looking like this thing over here. So we'll see. We shall see. And that'd be good too. As far as the potential bounce, the VWAP, maybe 200 if it pulls back. I like it. All right. So let's see who is streaming right now. Let's see here. Who's streaming? And thank you guys for being here. You guys are the best. I appreciate you guys. I don't see anybody. Road Dog at 10:30. Who else? I think that's it. Yep, just Road Dog. Oh well. We tried. We tried. Yeah, definitely, guys. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are the absolute best, and you're my favorite. I greatly appreciate you. And we'll do this again tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be going live at 3 p.m. at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the bonus stream will probably be on Monday. Probably on Monday. So 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, don't judge yourself based off of other traders. Don't feel discouraged if you're not winning. Don't worry, you will. You will. Stick with me, and I'll show you my thought process on what I think. I don't know what just happened. On what I think. What the heck? How did that get down here? Let's go back. Here we go. As far as what I think might happen, and let's see if it happens. That's all I got. I do thank you guys very much, and we will see you on the next one. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care.
We in the charts again. Support line looks like it's holding. Market makers, make it bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Make it bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce. Late night sessions, eyes glued to the screen. Charts looking heavy, but we move like a machine. Candles playing tricks, yeah, they trapped the whole crowd. Wick hitting the lows, portfolio getting plowed. Liquidity pockets, that's where they hunt. Fake breakdown stops, getting hit, eating your lunch. Market makers be sneaky, just like a mouse. Traders just looking for that bounce. Bounce, back. Wrist tight, stop loss, snug, protect the bag, don't get rug, greed to get you wrecked, that's facts, no doubt, take them profits, that's what this game's about. Market makers make it bounce. Support level, get respect, now we pounce, hold a level, this is where it counts. Market makers make it bounce. Don't freeze when it drops, just glance. See the zone, that's our chance. Take your profit, don't trade with greed, or else your portfolio will surely bleed. Market makers target stops, taking retail's lunch. Then pump it high like a savage punch. Double bottom looking like a bounce. No disguise, candle close after retesting. The breakout is our prize. Volume spike, that's your cue.